Are you looking for elegant na house and lot na pang dream home ang datingan? Dito lang yan sa Amaresa, Marilao. Amaresa, Marilao is located along M. Villarica Road dito sa Barangay Lombadigato, Marilao, Bulacan. This is the main gate and welcome to Amaresa, Marilao. Amaresa, Marilao is almost a 10 hectares first-class residential community which is a development project of Red Oak Properties Incorporated. It has complete amenities including a swimming pool. Welcome to Kyla Prime. Kyla Prime is another single-attached unit dito sa Amaresa, Marilao. We have the 94 square meter na floor area and we have the minimum lot area na 89 square meter. We also have an extra space dito sa harap para maging pocket garden. And of course, meron po tayong carport para sa ating mga sasakyan para safe. And we also have an extra space na pwede maging extension later ng ating service area. This is our main door. Yan. And this is our ground floor. Now we have here our living area. No? So by the way, fully finished naman ang Kyla Prime. But we don't have those furnitures and appliances. No? This is our dress-up unit. Kaya nakikita natin may mga gamit. In this area, possible ang ating dining area. Nakita nyo naman, no? Meron tayong aesthetic lounge. Okay? Sa bahaging ito, we have, ayan, a bedroom. Lalo na kung meron tayong elderly na hindi na kayang umakyat or, yun, no? Pwedeng maging master bedroom ito. Ayan, yung mga ayaw na umakyat sa taas, no? So, we have here now our kitchen. Ayan. Of course, meron tayong lababo. No? We also have under-counter cabinets and overhead cabinets. And this is our toilet and bath dito sa ground floor. Yan, of course, kompleto ito ng we have the lavatory with faucet, we have the water closet, we have the complete shower fixtures. Meron tayo diyang tissue holder dito. Yan. Okay, and this side, ayan, ito naman yung ating service door. No? Ito yung ating pintuan connecting to our service area na pwede natin gawing dirty kitchen or laundry in the future. This is our access to our second floor. Yan, meron tayong extra space dito. Probably pwede natin gawing office or study area or pwede natin gawing stock room in the future. Yan, depende no, kung anong mas preferred natin para ma-maximize natin yung space na yan. So let's have this is our stairs. No? Again, this is composed of handrails na mga bakal at saka meron tayong mga wood planks, no? Para, yun nga, mas maganda tingnan. Okay, let's check our second floor. By the way, our Kyla Prime has a high ceiling, no? Kaya pwede talaga nating lagyan ng pangmalakasang mga chandeliers, no? Kagaya nito, napakaganda, di ba? And let's check. This is our first bedroom. Ayan. So, nilagyan din ng sofa bed, no? Para, well, depende nga sa functionality kung ano gusto natin ilagay. Okay? So, nilagyan ng sofa bed para, ayun, no? Pwedeng mag-me time or pahingahan. Right? This time, ayan. No? This is our biggest room. Kaya ito yung ating master bedroom. No? So, we have the master bed. Of course, may mga bintana tayo doon. Nandiyan yung ating aircon, no? Those appliances and furnitures are not included, of course. We also have access dito sa ating toilet and bath, no? Yan, of course, kompleto rin yung ating toilet and bath, no? Meron tayong lavatory with faucet, we have the water closet, ayan, may shower fixtures tayo, kompleto yan, and ating tissue holder, no? Ayan, so of course, meron tayong access dito, no? Para maka-access din yung another room dito sa ating toilet and bath. Okay? This is now our access to our terrace or balcony. Ayan, napakalaki din ng space, no? Para sa ating family activities. Of course, meron tayong steel handrails for security purposes, no? Ayan, no, napakalaki. Pwede rin sampayan, no? Dito tayo magsampay or ayun na nga, no? Pwede natin tong lagyan ng roofing para mas accessible, no? Or mas maganda para sa, of course, no, kung may mga event or activity yung ating family. Again, no, meron din tayong parang high ceiling dito sa pababa natin sa second floor, no? Pwede rin natin itong lagyan ng ng mga magagandang ilaw para ayun na nga, no? Talagang aesthetic yung ating unit. Okay? Once again, this is our ground floor dito sa ating Carla Prime unit. Ikaw, are you looking for your dream home? Tara, we will bring you home. Thank you.